Hey everyone, good what? Good evening. Actually, okay, welcome back to my channel. Why this random vlog have been started? Kyuki, my channel will be soon completing 1 year. Not with a good number, of course. Not with a good number of views too. A lot of things that I have learned is 8th में और 15th में को मेरा 1 साल complete हो जाएगा with YouTube. So I'll be like completing. It will be a happy anniversary of me and YouTube. I am on my terrace. पर यूजुअली ये टेरेस इतना खाली नहीं होता है बट वी गॉट लकी टू कम हियर. हम रोज़ आते हैं बाय द वे. ओ मैं मुझे हाथ दुखा है लग रहा. तो हम लोग रोज़ आते हैं एक्चुअली यहाँ पे बट आज ज़्यादा कोई नहीं आया है और हम लोग को शूट करना था लाइक रील शूट समथिंग. तो वी वर लाइक लेट्स जस्ट कम एंड वी गॉट की एंड वी आर हियर. So let's just do it. Yeah. Every evening over here is just amazing. It's just beautiful. We are planning to click pictures over here. अभी देखते हैं क्योंकि I am very bad at getting ready and having a good pictures. तो ऐसा मतलब I have to like pray. Yeah. She always gets a good picture. कुछ भी मतलब effortless लोगों को जल्दी pictures मिल जाता है. ये हम लोग ये बॉटल जो कि वी ऑलवेज प्रेफर कि हमारा बॉटल फुल रहे कि मोबाइल गिरे नहीं. वी डोंट यूज ट्राइपॉड एज आई सेड. वी कीप इट ओवर हियर. वी प्लेस आवर बॉटल ओवर हियर एंड दैट इज अप. आई कैन टेल यू दिस स्पेशल प्लेस. दिस इज माय फेवरेट प्लेस ऑफ क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स. तो यहाँ पे मैंने बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स क्लिक करे हैं.
See your hairs.
एंड या ऑल्सो वाई आई लव दिस प्लेस बिकॉज यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी धूप आती है. कैन यू शो द बैकग्राउंड? इट्स नॉट अ वेरी गुड व्यू. इतना भी ऐसा व्यू नहीं है बट यहाँ से बहुत सारी धूप आती है. तो यहाँ से बहुत सारी धूप आती है और मेरा हेयर कलर भी अच्छा दिखता है. तो आई लाइक प्रेफर कमिंग हियर दिस साइड ऑफ टेरेस एंड क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स. गुड. वॉक ओवर. तो मैं ऐसा नहीं है. सो डोंट जज मी यहाँ कि मैं ऐसा रोज़ तैयार होके टेरेस पे आती हूँ. इट इज़ वेरी रेयर. तो आई कम विथ बाल ऐसे ऊपर बांधे हुए विथ अ वेरी अगली फेस एंड आई जस्ट वॉक बिकॉज आई लव वॉकिंग. तो मेरे को यहाँ पे बहुत सारा वॉक करने मिलता है एंड दिस पार्ट ऑफ टेरेस इज माइन. सो जस्ट समवेयर इट जस्ट बिलोंग्स टू मी. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी मिलती है यहाँ पे आके. और या आई एम गोना नाउ स्टॉप व्लॉगिंग एंड स्टार्ट शूटिंग जिसके लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे ऊपर आई है फॉर रील्स और मे बी यूट्यूब
Dance videos or something.
Yeah, we are trying to go for like more like dance. Okay, chalo.
So let's go.
You are like a sunset person, so I'm gonna show you the sunset and the view from my terrace. So come with me. To be very honest, मैं बिल्कुल भी सनसेट पर्सन नहीं हूँ. मुझे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि I wanted to see sunset or sunrise. But coming from all these lockdown days, even last year मेरे को इतनी आदत पड़ गई है to see sunset every day. And just because this is my favorite part of terrace, तो मैं रोज़ ही sunset एकदम अच्छे से ध्यान से देखती हूँ. You might get my sunset streaks if you follow me on Snapchat. We are going down. I'll try to continue my vlog as much as I can and you just don't forget to like, subscribe. in advance में बोल देती हूँ क्योंकि मैं most of the time भूल जाती हूँ. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. It's free. It's going to be 1 year, but you just watching and going, you're not subscribing to my channel. So just subscribe to my channel. So like before we leave from here, we saw this gadda और अभी like she तो like slept for like 2-3 times. पता नहीं अगर इस गद्दे को कुछ हो गया, so she's gonna take responsibility or not. But Tarak Mehta on Saturday and Sunday is the best weekend plan you can ever get. Agree?
This is our favorite TV serial, or you can say, and this is
Any TV show. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the most.
no one can compare this.
Not at all. So like our weekend is just best because Tarak Mehta is there. So I actually hate Sunday, but I love Sunday because of this. Every day from last
Lockdown.
4-5 months, mostly 4-5 months, we
Yes.
watching more than
Lots
actually
of,
a
yes.
lot of geography. What?
Discoveries. Hunting and they
Yeah, and especially
survive.
we watch Naked and Afraid, तो we love that show. मैं भी बहुत rarely देखती हूँ वो. मैं सिर्फ
Because-
सुनते रहती हूँ, but मैं देखती नहीं हूँ because I keep watching stuff on my phone. But I think it's time for that, and we are gonna end this vlog for today. And the trees makes you like walk more and more, and yeah, now I'm gonna like walk. I'm already sweating. Now it's 7:04 a.m. and I'm gonna continue till 8 consistently. So see you very, 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 very soon. Now it's time for some baking. After so long, we're gonna bake cake. After so long, matlab after 2 weeks. Okay, so I'm gonna like bake this cake by myself. This is the first time I'm gonna bake. So wish me luck. After a very long, can you just see this garmi wala face? I cannot explain you how much I am tired of this. और इसकी वजह से I was not going to any morning walk or even walks anywhere because it's just so depressing to walk. I've tried to complete my vlog, a weekend vlog. मुझे genuinely पता ही नहीं था कि आज Mother's Day है. To be very honest, I don't believe. I may sound like a rude one, but I don't believe in Mother's Day, Father's Day, or any other day. You know, Children's Day and even Teachers' Day, because every time you having a moment is the day to celebrate yourself. आज मैंने बहुत सारे friends लोग के मम्मी को देखा, and I feel like every status, every story is just filled with a memory with your mommy, and I feel कि वो एक moment is to celebrate with your mother, and that's Mother's Day. Try my best to be good. I help my mom, and that's all I even did today. Even my sister did it today. My dad bring a dinner from outside, which first time I have tried baking cake. मुझे अच्छा लगता है. मैं मदद करती थी बहुत पहले, और when my sister started taking initiative and helping mom and making cakes, baking cakes, तो तब तक तो मैं थी, और उसके बाद से मैंने अपना नौकरी छोड़ दिया, और तब उसके बाद से आज मैंने जाके केक बनाया, और मैंने खुद से बनाया है. नो मैटर इट वॉज अ प्रीमिक्स. तो हमारे घर में एक है कि जो स्पिन कर पाता है वॉशिंग मशीन को इज द हीरो ऑफ दैट डे, और मे बी द बेस्ट पर्सन टू हैंडल अ वॉशिंग मशीन. Talking about today, I'm talking about the Sunday I had today. it was a bit bored. Tomorrow is my presentation. Maybe not tomorrow, but this week is just pressurizing me to do this, to do that. I'm just I feel like I want to run away from house. I just want to do this because online presentation sucks. ऐसा लगता है कि if there are 120 people in front of you, उसमें से आधे लोग तो they are not listening to you. They are just enjoying their phone. आधे में से आधे जो आपके friends हैं, उसमें से भी आधे friends आपको सुन रहे हैं और आधे friends सिर्फ आपको देख रहे हैं. They are not even listening to you. So I feel offline presentations used to best. There used to be excitement. There used to be dress code, and you're just very happy that one guy or that one girl that you like is, or maybe you crush on in your classroom or anything like that, is going to stare at you for that minute at least. So that's the best feeling. What do you think about it? Just tell me now. So I'll just feel that we are a team somewhere. Okay? Tell me. I had my cake. It's been 12:30 p.m. now, and I feel like I have to just stop vlogging now. I have to end this vlog. मैं भूल गई थी. So here it is. I've started on a note of good evening, and I'm gonna end this vlog and good night. Good night. Till and unless your parents just wanted to take a family meeting and tell you कि take care of yourself, तब तक के लिए आपकी लाइफ बहुत ही मजे में चल रही होती है. And today that family meeting for 5 minutes happened, and I was just like, oof. People are enjoying, we family or we two people are enjoying, and there are thousands of people they're dying is not fair, of course. So yeah, this is probably my last vlog before I complete 1 year, and I'm very very happy that I wanted to say thank you to you all for supporting, for whatever effort you made to the channel, for commenting some days, for thankful for that you text me personally and said ये नहीं होना चाहिए था. This video just really, I love that video. I am very much happy for the 1 year. हो सके तो subscribe कर दो यार. And yeah, just stay safe. It's just nothing more. Subscription तो होते रहेगा, but just take care of yourself. Just